by Nature Football Freedom. My name na Emeka, and today we interview Nigerian football fans for Nature Football Viewing Center. If you don't need for this place, make you like this video, subscribe, turn that notification button so you're gonna get content like this. But you know this matters now.
The Gunners collect your 5 first. So how you see the match now?
First half, I nearly lose. I start to dey pray again. Oh. I don't know why they always when Arsenal they come up like this, they play this kind of thing. You go be like say I want to play, but I don't know whether I see something today for this match.
Wait me that.
You know, see Alexis Sanchez.
Prime one.
Prime Alexis Sanchez for that thing. Alexis Sanchez they run everywhere. So you know the observatory this. You observe him. Alexis Sanchez call Gabriel Jesus. What thing they happen? You're turning my team to a caricature. What is happening? For how many weeks now Gabriel Jesus never even score? How many weeks?
A year. This year never.
A year. He never score. I was so happy to see Alexis Sanchez back in the team. First half, I was very, very disappointed. And Odegaard coming into the game. And people like Una, where they talk say, no people now, where they say make one Neri, I mean join that group, make one Neri they bench Odegaard.
No say member, I say when they play him at least.
Play him, okay. Now we saw the difference now. Can't you see the difference? As Odegaard come play deep, come they circulate the ball. Not be like one man, one guy they compare Odegaard and Palmer. They carry Odegaard, they compare Palmer for this time, for this age. They bring statistics of assists. I become the verse say Arsenal don't turn to average team. You understand? Yes, now they be done turn to average team because during that first half, I was very mixed with emotions. How Arsenal go to play ball? Today you go win, tomorrow you go draw, tomorrow you go lose. You don't have confidence going into the game. You understand? So I don't know what Arteta tell them. Arteta been Arteta. All or nothing. Maybe not go hit one of those rackets for grand. And don't go hit one of the rackets and then see Arsenal coming back. Boom, 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 boom. I enjoyed today's game.
Okay, talking about Arteta tactics, people they complain say they need to score open goal. If you say they take a personal today by the goals, because today they scored 3 open play goals, so they don't even play corner. They don't even go for corners today. If you say now the players or because they drop some set of people who know say they like play corner. So what do you think?
You are my enemies now. Open play, Arsenal need to score for open play, especially Bobby. Then they talk that Arsenal, they know say they don't use that now, they attack Mikel Arteta for press. So then go reduce the efficiency. Teams are becoming afraid. So they don't they push the talk, so then go to tell Jovic, I mean Jova, say make your men they come down. You know this is a psychological game, but we remind them today say Arsenal can well score from open play. It's our game. That's what we know how to do, to score from open play. We can play different tactics, different style in one match. Do you understand? This is our own game. The fact that Arsenal have failed to do that in the past few matches does not determine or say that Arsenal no go fit dey score. Like people like Chelsea now, they are just being afraid. They want us to reduce the intensity of scoring from our penalty kick. No, that's our penalty kick. And that's just what happened.
So coming into the game, when you see the lineup, like Arteta doing, I think in tweak the lineup. Waiting me when you see the lineup at first, when you come, waiting.
I know say Arsenal fans go dey happy for something. Tierney, it go spark a memory for them. But let me just tell you the truth, and you should know the truth. Arteta no put Tierney because we dey miss am. Arteta put Tierney because he wan sell am. He no go dey from training ground, club go see am. He know say the time January don dey reach, and he has been training with Arsenal, so he needed to put him in the front line so that clubs will see that he's still good, and that is what I hate. I love to see him, but I hate to know that Arteta wants to sell him.
But he's actually good. He play well.
I don't see that. When Martinelli been dey good, when they bring Martinelli that first time when Martinelli dey play top line, now him and Martinelli now. In the cross ball, Martinelli they know them. They play. See, I tell you the truth. Martinelli no good. Martinelli no good. Put Martinelli for top 9. Now we are in there where Edu see and call him. And they tell you now that this Tierney now him understand that chemistry. He was the one building that chemistry for between him and Martinelli before even Fabio Vieira even stepped into Arsenal. Do you understand? So Martinelli no good now because they play wing. Not everybody go there like Thierry Henry now. Not everybody go there like Thierry Henry. So I'm happy to see Tierney, but it's so sad that I understand what my coach wants to do. Many of them know they not happy too much. Now said they want to sell Tierney. He want to sell him. He just give and gain time so that clubs go see and say this one see their life. Now him now.
Talking about Sterling.
Oh.
I understand. Say yes, Ateta really need the winning. If you say Ateta sometimes in the overthink, but I feel like he for still leave Sterling. For me, I feel like for just allow the guy play at least the 90 minutes. But what else I can know for still win the match bad as bad. So if you say Ateta the fear or something,
Ateta dey under pressure. But I tell you why. He might not win the league, but he needs to win something for Arsenal. He does not need to go trophyless again this season. He just needs to win something for the club. So seeing Arteta bringing in this removing Sterling and bringing in good players, our first 11, I understand what his emotion is. But now this thing also they remind me of Chelsea. See, this is the reason why I like Chelsea. If na Chelsea second team, they for don kill this game first half. Chelsea third team for don kill this game since. I be vex o.
but Chelsea first team no win Crystal Palace for league.
This is another no be league now be this one na conference I don dey call conference league Carabao Cup for Calabar people for Calabar people this is Carabao Cup for Calabar people so that was why I like for Calabar people
So today performance, you feel say Jesus take am personal because people don say they score goal, they score goal, they score goal, and 2024 has really been a bad year because of compile of injuries and the rest. If you say today I still see the opportunity in grab and wear. If you say in don't get, I think that's supposed to start am for next match or you may have us still become our number 9.
before I go even enter that one see Nketiah don turn butterfly. Nketiah turn butterfly because Nketiah come see say Gabriel Jesus na him make am comot for this Arsenal. Say make Nketiah dey nod ball where Saliba dey.
Wetin never do before for us.
Wetin never do before for Arsenal. He see Gabriel Jesus don score one, score two na say wetin I do. Nketiah nearly celebrate o. He celebrate sef. He no only sef but him celebration dey come and na Gabriel Jesus make am score. You see you talk say Gabriel Jesus no score for silent. You understand? I believe say there is a personal beef. It's my own personal opinion though, but see Gabriel Jesus na striker. He has been plagued with injuries. Make Arsenal fans don't forget say the reason why Arteta, the spirit of Arsenal stepped up was because of the introduction of Gabriel Jesus and Zinchenko. Now they insult Zinchenko, they insult Gabriel Jesus. They don't understand that these people now bring the spirit up. You understand? So they are the foundation of this new Arsenal system now. So me I go prefer make if Gabriel Jesus come back to form, make they use am. Because that guy
But this
strikers movements now.
These 3 goals don't give am enough confidence. I feel say you know feel say that's supposed to
See,
start.
as next match Crystal Palace make dem no start Havertz because e no go good person to score hat-trick like this. Congo dey drop am na you kick now wey don tell Arteta something.
But you know your coach.
That one na stubborn. That guy no get flexibility for him life. He's rigid like a rock, ignores rock. Oh,
So wetin be the advice you get to give Arteta?
Arteta, my man. Arteta, metete. Arteta, see, they ask me the advice I gats give you. I don't know the advice I gats give you, but let me say, just be flexible a little bit. In your decision, be flexible. Don't be rigid. Arteta look like person where they make decision through emotions. Just waiting how he carry pursue Aubameyang, how he carry pursue Ozil. He dey make decision through emotions, they make through in head. So Arteta, just change that about yourself and be more flexible. That's all.
Before I ask you one last question, I know say this guy I know you like talk about him because I feel like he's in there below to the play for Arsenal. Jacob Kiwo. This one I like the third mistake in don't be fourth mistake this season when don't do with the carry concede. If you say that guy dey good enough to play for Arsenal,
You see, you know who be Jacob Kiwo before Arteta buy him?
I don't know.
He was very hot now in Poland now. Do you understand? Kiwo na good defender. Many of these players, you just dey buy players without reasoning on how they go take impact for the team. Kiwo was very good. Bringing in Kiwo, I watched that guy. He be hot. Poland first team, first 11. Arteta go sign am and Edu. But Arteta now don play role in this guy form, loss of form. Because you're not giving him game time. He's sad. Kiwo was hot now. You remember when Kiwo been there. So for me, Kiwo, I don't see Kiwo in this team in the future because we get players, we get people who know why even grip for him. So it's so sad for him. But Kiwo is a very good.
So who be your man of the match now?
Oh, my man of the match, Alexis Sanchez, aka Gabriel Jesus. And for Odegaard that just came into the match and gave 2 assists. You understand? But Alexis Sanchez, aka Gabriel Jesus, is my man of the match.
Thank you for stopping by.
All right.